Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. 1994 Toyota Hiace Super Custom, and unfortunately the van stopped charging the battery. I checked all the fuses, all the connections which were available, and the wiring harness, everything looks okay. So I started removal. So you have to remove the driver's seat, and underneath the driver's seat is this access panel. These are all 14mm bolts, and this is the craziness you will discover. There is also AC compressor above the alternator. I prepared it for you here to just give the owners idea what they will be dealing with. So right here we said driver's seat, access panel. Look at that mess, all these aftermarket cables. I have no idea why this wiring is here. This is my first Hiace I'm working. There was a parking brake, very bad design. I'm not sure what the hell they were thinking. To disconnect this was easy, but this is underneath that white access panel which I just showed you was laying down there. It's hard to remove these bolts, to 12mm bolts. Why Toyota just didn't mount it somewhere here on the body? Why they put it underneath the panel, which the cable is too short to even turn that panel up, so that was a pain. But anyway, fortunately, good design is that you can put the AC compressor on the side, right? So these are the hoses. I didn't have to discharge the AC. And here finally you can see the alternator. So the pulley is for two belts. The missing one, this is the AC compressor grooves. You can see the belt was not there for a while, but the clutch, everything seems to be fine. So I think I will install the belt, which is actually sitting right here. That will be the AC compressor belt. I hope it fits. So the compressor was here on the bracket. It's a mounting bracket. I should not have a problem to remove that alternator. If you look with me, this will be 14mm, I'm guessing. I see down there on tensioner 12mm. And here will be like a 10mm bolt to release the tension on the belts. I will remove this alternator, show you the item numbers. I will try to show you the item number. This is basically the biggest problem, how to order the parts. But I hope everybody can read this. Here is the number on these two belts which are running the alternator. It's a Mitsubishi and then Toyota 90916-02385. Hopefully you can see it easily in this video. Here is finally the alternator itself, being outside of the vehicle. So here you can see the pulley, the double pulley. I should check what is the nut. This is how it came with these wires. I will take it for testing, so I will remove those obviously. It's a 3-pin connector. Yep. The back. So this hopefully will help somebody to deal with the same thing. It's a pain, it's a total waste of time. And the last time, the detail of the electrical connector on the back.
Why does it not want to go back here? I gotta
So I got it tested. It was tested twice just to make absolutely sure that the test was correct. There were no loose connections or anything like that. And it failed. This alternator failed. We tried to look up with 2 aftermarket companies by the pictures, this time using pictures, and some older Land Cruisers and Forerunners. We tried to match it. We even saw one with a double pulley. I think that was a Land Cruiser, but guess what? The connectors will be on the opposite side. Basically, this thick area will be here, and the thin mount will be there, the adjustment. So it just, there's no luck. I'm stuck. I will be contacting the owner, who said he has some contact in Seattle or even Sacramento, locally in California. So hopefully he has the magic for finding parts, getting the belts. We will see. If you guys know, where shall I call? Let me know. I will gladly use your experience, because I have zero. I'm just building it. And basically the answer is, this is incredible waste of time for me, definitely, which I will never recover, because I cannot charge them on every single minute and half hour and hour I spent on this. So yeah, if you can help, I will greatly appreciate it. Once again, this is the number. Toyota dealer cannot cross-match it. For them, this doesn't exist. Thank you for watching, and I will check those comments underneath the video. See ya.